Smiles. Today we are going to see wolves. So we'll see you when we get there. Hey guys, we're here and we're waiting in this long line. And there's a sign out there that are wolves, and we're getting ready to go in, but the gate's closed. So we're gonna have to wait. Alright, we'll see you when we go in. Guys, we are going in. And, oh, we just pulled up. Here's the picture. Oh, you guys can't see it.
Child, you guys are checked in. The main program is going to start at 7:30 on the bleachers, which is down the path to the right. Yep, the bathrooms are over that way. Until then, you're free to walk the path. We have foxes up here as well as wolves in our night program and bison straight ahead. Love the ears, by the way.
Thanks.
Enjoy the program.
Thanks. I just about said you too.
Yes. Let's see.
Can I take a picture with it?
I'm getting it right here.
I'm gonna howl with it.
Okay.
Yeah, both of you howl.
You're awesome, Lo.
Come on, let's go.
What is that? What is that?
What are you? You're a fox.
Oh, it's a red fox.
It's a fox. You're so cute.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Hi. I forgot my
I'll let you take pictures. I'll let you take the pictures.
Oh my god. Oh. And they're wearing masks.
Yeah, all of them have masks on, don't they?
Oh, what's named Joker?
He's a red fox, but he's black.
One's named Joker.
Oh, okay.
They named them. They were red. Was the first one they found.
Yeah.
I
And
love
then they
that.
realized that there's a black or silver face, and then there's also a cross fox that's a blend between the red and the black.
Oh,
So if one runs away from you and has a white tail, it's a red fox.
okay. Run away, I want to take your picture.
Here I go. They're doing this picture.
Nothing is out and about.
Someone's moving. That's him jumping.
What are you doing? Zoom in.
He's like, look away.
How does that smell?
You shouldn't have done that. I bet that was gross.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she is. She was a little
He's so pretty.
That's why she's so
Hi. Oh, I love
She's
you.
concerned about them.
Her name is Timber.
Okay, that one's Timber, okay.
Oh, she's walking away.
It's
Okay, well we gotta get back.
Okay, let's go.
My name is Karen and I'm going to be giving the first half of this presentation. And then the staff, my backup, and myself and Christopher are going to go in for the second half, so you get to see us interacting with the wolves, and we'll be talking more about socialization and how we interact with them. I'm gonna, on the count of 3, have you howl. And so all you gotta do is an ooh sound. January, February time frame. And that's gonna be your younger animals that are yearlings or 2-year-olds, or your lower ranking animals are gonna do it more frequently when they're looking for a mate. So it's kind of a lonely hearts column, is what we like to say. It's really pretty fascinating. We can tell when it's an unhappy howl versus an excited howl. Does anyone have a question? I'll take a question at this point. Sure. 2, 3.
So I don't think Karen mentioned this in the first part of the program, which is okay. Wolves have a flight distance, which is 1/4 to 1/2 of a mile, and that's about how close you can get before they flee in the wild. Wolves are actually very scared of people naturally in the wild. So you'll get 1/4 to 1/2 of a mile away from a wolf and they will run from you. So the way that we're able to hit our 3-part mission here at Wolf Park of research, education, and conservation is by having socialized wolves who don't have a fear of people. And obviously what she's doing right now on the teeter-totter is one of her more fun behaviors that we teach simply to keep their minds and their bodies engaged. Now, Karen, or a little bit later? Now? Okay, do you guys want to try a howl with us again now that the wolves are over here? Excellent. So on the count of 3, we're going to howl together. When my arms are raised like this, we're going to keep howling. When they raise a little bit lower, we're going to gradually die out. And again, because it is very, very windy, they may decide not to, but we may see some interesting behaviors. So on the count of 3, I am going to turn my mic off so I don't deafen everybody. 1, 2, 3. And here comes Aspen. He is currently the most dominant individual in this pack, as I can explain in a bit. And he was kind of hiding behind Karen a little bit. She's showing a little bit of submissive behavior, so she's crouching really, really low. Her ears are back, her tail is wagging, and she was trying to lick Aspen a little bit in the face as well, so some tongue flicks. All of that is submissive behavior. So again, Kiwa's kind of the dominant female in here by default. She often gets what she wants. And Aspen right now is the most dominant male. So red wolves actually used to be found in southern Indiana. And we have not had wolves in Indiana since about 1908. Because of mass extermination campaigns across the United States towards predators, we lost nearly every large carnivore that we have in the United States. Okay. So on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Right there, and Aspen as the more dominant individual in this pack at the moment. She's doing some obnoxious submissiveness. So Aspen's literally just laying on her a little bit. And she is swatting him out of the way. She's kind of sort of stiff arming him a little bit right now. And it looks like he's doing a little bit of nibble grooming maybe as well, just resting his head on her. So again, that is a little bit of dominance behavior, but they are kind of instigating play as well right now. So a lot of times play behaviors, ooh, that's a big hole. And here comes Monty, excellent. So Monty may decide to join us. A lot of times that kind of dominance behavior instigates play like what they're doing right now. So Kiwa's getting very excited. I want to get back to some other questions if you have any. Yes, you and the ears.
Do wolves hibernate in the winter?
Excellent question. Do wolves hibernate in the winter time? No, they do not hibernate because they actually have really thick coats. So as you see with them right now, they're actually still in their winter coats. And he's wanting to do that chin rest on me. Here, chin rest. Yes, good job. Go hang out with Monty. Touch, 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 touch. Yes, good job. Go hang out that way.
Just like
So wolves do not hibernate. They just have really thick coats in the winter time, and they still have their winter coats on right now. So their coats kind of come in 2 layers. They have their downy undercoat. We were maybe going to end a little early because of the weather, but the weather is held out for us really well, and it is already almost 8:30. And so before we do that last howl, I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming out and supporting Wolf Park this evening. We are a non-profit, so all of our funding essentially comes from you guys coming in and supporting us through coming to our educational programs. As I hinted at earlier, there are a lot of different programs if you enjoyed your time here and want to come back.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, so we better get home because it's raining. Bye! Ow!